Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm sharing a healthy, natural, and delicious lunch recipe. Black-eyed beans with zucchini and olive oil, paired with a fresh salad. This is Nutriintelligence. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll use this type of bean, known as black-eyed beans. They have a black center, are super tasty, soft, and cook easily. The first step is to activate the beans by soaking them in water. Doing this helps with nutrient absorption and speeds up the cooking process. Leave them in water overnight, and look how much they've grown in size. Rinse them, and they're ready to use. We're going to prepare a simple sauté to enhance the flavor of the beans. Dice some onion and tomato into small cubes. Heat a pot and add the natural oil of your choice. Here, I'm using sunflower oil. Add the chopped onion and sauté, stirring constantly to avoid burning. Next, add the tomato and keep stirring. Once lightly browned, add the black-eyed beans, cover them with water, and place the lid on. Now, let's prep some potatoes. I like to use one yellow potato for a softer texture and one white potato, diced, to complement the beans. Add them to the pot, stir, and cover again. Let everything cook for about 30 minutes, depending on your stovetop's heat. Remember, salt is added at the end when the beans are fully cooked. Black-eyed beans, besides being delicious, are perfect for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to improve their diet. They are a great source of plant-based protein, aid digestion, and are rich in iron, calcium, and magnesium. While we wait, let's prepare some zucchini. These are amazing, full of water, and great for staying hydrated. Peel them, cut them in half, and slice them into slightly thick pieces since they shrink when cooked. This is how the beans look so far. They're still a bit firm, so we'll keep cooking them over medium heat with the lid on to prevent water from evaporating too quickly. In a small pot, place the zucchini slices, add a pinch of pink or sea salt, and a splash of water to help them release their own juices. Cover and cook on low heat. If you have a steamer, that works perfectly for the zucchini too. Next, let's make an essential salad. Here, I have saigua, super crunchy with an amazing flavor. It's important to eat water-rich foods to stay truly hydrated. Stir the zucchini to ensure even cooking. Check on the black-eyed beans. They're ready. Add pink salt to taste. Turn off the heat, and let them rest for 5 minutes to absorb all the flavors. For the zucchini, add a drizzle of olive oil, turn off the heat, and let them finish cooking with the pot's residual heat. Finally, assemble the salad. In a bowl, add diced saigua, green and purple lettuce leaves, and juice from 3 lemons to boost your immune system. Now, it's time to serve. Here it is, delicious and super healthy. This combination is incredibly satisfying and packed with nutrients. It's a light, balanced, and highly recommended option. Make it at home, share it with your loved ones, and support us so we can keep growing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. This is Nutriintelligence. See you next time. Here are some other videos you might enjoy.